Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher upper dish rack wheel. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack wheel. The upper dish rack wheel is what the upper dish rack rolls in and out on. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the upper dish rack's not rolling in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to take out the upper dish rack. We're going to put a towel on the counter so we don't scratch it. Once you have the towel down, we can open up the dishwasher door. And then we're going to pull the rails out so we can take the end caps off. To get the end caps off, we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to press on the locking tab from the back side. You can press up on the end cap and pull it off the rail. The other side comes off the same way. Now we can pull the upper dish rack out, and we're going to turn it over and set it on the towel. Once you have the dish rack out, there's 4 wheels on the rack. They're all changed out the same way. To get the upper dish rack wheel off, there's a locking tab right down here on the bottom that we have to press. What we have to do is press on it and lift up on the upper dish rack wheel. Then we can lay it down and turn it and pull it off the rack. Here's the old upper dish rack wheel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it, but it'll go in and work just fine. The upper dish rack wheel is adjustable, so once you get it on, there's a little line right here and a locking tab, and you can adjust this whether you want it in the high or low position. To put it on, all you have to do is line it up with the tine rows like when we took it off, and then turn it, and then lift it up into place so the bottom half locks onto this tine row. Once you have it in place, you can adjust it to whatever height you need, and then we can put the dish rack back in the dishwasher. All you have to do is lift up on the rack and turn it over. We can line the wheels up with the rails, push them on. Once you have the wheels in, we can push the dish rack back in, and then we can pull the rails out so we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps on, all you have to do is line them up and snap them into place. Once you have this side done, we can do the other one. Once you have the end caps on, you can push the rack back in, close the door, pull the towel out, then we can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.